Hey, silly heads.
See water? See it bowl? See it bowl? Take it out.
No, absolutely not. Say sorry.
No.
Thank you. Don't do it again, please. You alright, Chase? You okay, baby?
Hey.
Tyler, will you go give baby kisses?
Mine.
Ooh, you okay? Oh, can you? Careful, don't bump him again. Give him a big kiss.
Hi. This is my toy.
Aw, what a sweetheart. Thank you.
Hey.
You're really gentle with the baby.
My car.
He likes watching you guys. Hi. Bet you wish you could ride on those toys, huh, Chase? Aww. What?